Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, and today here we are going to learn about the transmission media, and this belongs to the computer networks, right? So the subject is computer networks, and in that we are in the first module and network layer, that is the network layer first module. And now we are going to learn about transmission media. So what is this transmission media, why it is used, and how many types of their mediums like guided media and unguided media, and what are the modes we are using, like coaxial cable, like twisted pair cable. So several cables we are using. So first of all, so what is this transmission medium? That means if we want to pass one message to the from the sender to the receiver, we need a something path, right? We need something path. So if it is a sender, if it is a receiver, we need something to pass this from sender to the receiver, either a coaxial cable or either a twisted pair cables, and many types of like this. So here that only we have written. So a transmission medium is a physical path between the transmitter and receiver. So it is a channel through which data is sent from one place to another. So from one place to another place, we need a transmission to learn. So like how we people are speaking from phone from one place to another place. So for that any media is needed, right? Any signal mediums are needed. So like it's anything, not word. Okay. So it is broadly classified into following types. So first one is a guided media, and another one is a unguided media. So in guided media again we can see the types like a twisted pair cable and coaxial cable and optical fiber. In unguided media and radio waves. So what are the types in unguided media? So it is first one is radio waves, another one is a microwaves, another one is a infrared waves. So what is this guided media? Let us know about guided media first of all, right? Yes. So guided media. So this is the one type or is one part of this transmission media. So already we have learned that we have two types. One is a guided media, another one is unguided media, and in that the first type is guided media, and now we are going through this. See, what is this guided media actually? It is a wide bonded transmission. That means it is made up of only the wires. Okay, it is made up of the wires. And next, see what are the features of this. So in guided media, we can able to transfer the data or transmit the data in a very high speed and a secure way, and it is comparatively used for shorter distances very well. That means in shorter distances we can able to use it very well. So shortcut for this is remembering is this HSU, and mainly this topic what I'm going to learn you, it is useful for your semester exams, and keep watching guys, don't skip the video. And next one is twisted pair cable. So in this actually guided media, I have one type, that is a twisted pair cable. So already I have discussed that I have three types, right? In this first type I'm going to say about, that is twisted pair cable. So in the first type I'm going to speak about twisted pair cable. So what is this twisted pair cable actually? So, and I will show you the diagram also in further video. So let me first explain what is this twisted pair cable. So in the twisted pair cables, we have two separately insulated conductor wires wound about each other. Generally, several such pairs bundled together in a protective sheath. Protective sheath means in a protective, like a shield, like a way. Okay, in that all the wires are bundled. So in order to protect these wires, and in this twisted pair cable, and then again we have two types. One is unshielded, another one is a shielded. These are only called as UTP and STP, that is unshielded twisted pair and a shielded twisted pair. So what are this unshielded twisted pair and shielded twisted pair? As the name suggests, you can able to see here. See, unshielded twisted pair is nothing but we can able to block the interference. What is the interference? The disturbance which is caused while we are transmitting the data or transmitting some information from the sender to the receiver. From the transmitter to the receiver, there will be some disturbances. So, or that disturbance is called nothing but interference. So in order to stop that or block that interference, we can able to use this unshielded, and it doesn't depend on any physical shields on anything, on any outer shields or anything. It is independent of that. and it is mainly used in telephonic applications, like we are communicating through the telephones, and all this done with the unshielded twisted pair only. So what are the advantages is it is very least expensive, and it is easy to install, and it is a high speed capacity. So due to using of this unshielded twisted pair cables only, we can able to communicate very easily with persons without any disturbance, and it is a very high speed capacity. Okay. So, and disadvantages is it is only for shorter distance. Attenuation means whatever the disturbance caused in transmitting the data, that is nothing but attenuation. So let me write the spelling here clearly. This is the attenuation. Okay. So yes, the disturbance caused while we are transmitting the data. And external interference, it does not able to block the external interference. What is this external interference? Actually, we have talked about interference. So interference, again, two types it is divided. One is internal and the one is external. So this unshielded transmission media will stop the interference which is caused by internal substances. Internally, whatever the disturbance it causes, that will it stop, but it cannot able to stop the external interference. For this, again, another media is used, that is shielded twisted pair. This shielded twisted pair is used to eliminate the external interference used in fast data Ethernet and invoice. So what are the advantages? It is a better performance, and comparative means comparing to this unshielded, it is very best, and it eliminates the crosstalk. Crosstalk means whatever the disturbance while we are talking with the persons, we will get the crosstalk disturbances due to the attenuations or something distortion of or something noise disturbances. We will get a crosstalk. So that it eliminates this shielded pair used to eliminate this crosstalk and better performance comparing to this unshielded. Okay. And next one, disadvantage. What is disadvantage means? It is difficult to install, right? And it is more expensive while comparing to this unshielded. And next one is it is bulkier. Okay. So let